Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the fascinating world of health and nutrition. In today's video, we're delving into the humble yet powerful raisin, packed with numerous health benefits and surprising facts that might just astonish you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find this information valuable and consider subscribing for more engaging content. Health benefits of raisins. Rich in nutrients, raisins are concentrated with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants vital for overall well-being. Digestive aid. Raisins are a natural remedy for promoting digestion and relieving constipation due to their fiber content. Energy booster. These tiny, natural energy packs provide a quick energy boost due to high natural sugars like glucose and fructose. Heart health. Raisins support a healthy heart by promoting good cholesterol levels and lowering blood pressure. Bone health. They are a great source of calcium and boron, aiding in bone health and preventing osteoporosis. Interesting facts. Nature's candy. Raisins are dried grapes, and the drying process enhances their natural sweetness, making them a perfect natural candy. Historical value. Raisins have been consumed for thousands of years and were prized by the ancient Greeks and Romans. Versatile ingredient. Raisins are a versatile ingredient and can be added to a variety of dishes, including salads, cereals, desserts, and even savory dishes, adding a sweet and nutritious punch. Sun-dried goodness. Raisins are often sun-dried, preserving their nutritional value and enhancing their natural sweetness. Rich source of iron. Raisins are a natural source of iron, a vital component of hemoglobin. Iron supports the body in producing healthy red blood cells and increasing hemoglobin levels, preventing and treating iron deficiency anemia. Natural energy boosters. Iron-rich raisins provide a natural energy boost by aiding in the efficient transportation of oxygen throughout the body. Improved hemoglobin levels enhance vitality and reduce fatigue. Abundant in vitamin B complex. Raisins contain B vitamins, including B6, niacin, riboflavin, and thiamine, which are crucial for the formation of hemoglobin and red blood cells. Adequate B vitamins help maintain optimal hemoglobin levels. Copper content for hemoglobin synthesis. Copper, present in raisins, is an essential mineral that aids in the synthesis of hemoglobin. Including raisins in your diet can help ensure sufficient copper intake for healthy blood. Natural sweetener for balanced diet. Raisins are a natural sweetener, offering a healthier alternative to refined sugars. Adding them to your meals can encourage a balanced diet, providing necessary nutrients for improved hemoglobin levels. Combination with vitamin C-rich foods. Pairing raisins with vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, kiwis, or bell peppers can enhance iron absorption. Vitamin C aids in converting non-heme iron into a form that the body can absorb more easily. Easy incorporation into diet. Raisins can be easily incorporated into daily meals. Enjoy them as a snack, add them to cereals, mix into yogurt, or include them in salads and baked goods for a delightful nutrient boost. Simple raisin recipes. Raisin and nut mix. Combine raisins with various nuts for a quick and nutritious snack. Raisin smoothie. Blend raisins with fruits and yogurt to create a delicious and iron-rich smoothie. Raisin oatmeal cookies. Bake cookies with raisins and oats for a tasty treat. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new and hit that subscribe button.